GX reject. She good, man.
Whoa, oh, GX. What you say reject?
Yeah.
What you mean by car over here different?
Lava, more water something.
Yeah. Jesus.
Watch out now. Yeah, smile that. You see it here.
Let me drink some water first. Drink some water. All right. Fire.
Some room.
All right, Lava.
Yeah.
Remember, you know. Listen, let me tell you something. Me and that girl I know me from before Jigs. Is it? And we are running it off for long, is it? And she know Jigs, you know what day? She didn't even know him like that, is it? I run down to blood clot, see you, go meet Jigs, go and drink special, go and buy fish, and whatever, is it? I mean, know a long time, you know, and she never yet meet up. She never yet meet up before me, you know. It's like she not trust me, but she trust Jigs from overseas, you, what she don't know. So explain that to me. What going with that?
All right, probably them time that you know long enough she have it on a friend zone. Then time the problem time with GX just I get the hype and the hype. I said GX and GX I get the money now. You get me I come from, so she probably say I control GX before anybody else. So probably she just go over see view now. Probably she and GX have look at dinner and drink and then fuck and all look at something then and probably just give a couple fuck and she tired I ain't no more and until them run her.
And no, she wanna run back in.
No.
No, she wanna run back in like to me.
Yes, no good sir.
Okay.
Because at first she not look on you. She friend zone you. Then GX fuck it and left it.
Oh.
And then you are running back to you. You think that makes sense? Clone check a clone you. If I never look at me at first, now look at me again. Any more question?
I rest my case, Lava.
But if nice girl I met GX, I fucked them and I left them. You're nice in a KeKe.
Thanks. It wasn't like that, Lava.
How then?
See, Jayden never showed me that he liked me. You see, Jayden did not show me saying like me like going treat was. But I totally understand, you know, Lava. That's why I was spending my day now.
Hold on.
But Jayden,
Hold on. I told him hear the argument that him did was for you.
Yes. So with Jayden now, Lava is not like what he tell her. So you can't listen to one side of the story. Jayden always deal with me rough.
What kind of love, GX?
Just like that tonight, you talk just a while ago. Let me talk.
Okay, darling, talk.
When me deliver country every day and cost me live in a board house. Man reject me. I'm go to world and I send you with me in a Lava heavy.
Yeah.
Don't me come at all.
Lava. No, me shut talk.
Stand blow. I'm run come at town for shelter. And when I run go town for shelter, that's how I go under GX wings.
Oh.
So me go under GX wings now. And then time that he might try push up himself. Him never go like this. He make me afraid.
Well, I'm asking a question. Before all of that, in the scene in real life?
No.
Well, on this, you want to give me a 360? I really appreciate that.
Yeah, you that?
Oh, fucking me, my man. Lava this and brother. Sit back. You make that pass here, brother!
Lava, in treatment bad. In beer oil man me take and you see treatment where I give us now. I have never got that treatment before.
Was me know was for a long time for me that was I got draining pocket. Me not ask you.
So then say Saturday was birthday and him a gold pan dinner.
Oh God, you better have things for us. Remember that.
Alright, chat, he put off.
What's I maintenance, you know?
Chat, he put off, chat.
So Jade, may I ask you a question? See, I was there.
No, me was not. Me I was not there. Me don't know why them have it for say me I was there.
I get in there.
And in care was go
When you kiss?
just listen in just know what's and in care was go Maya event as date. And when I was in country niggerly never say like KeKe get dressed and come and a bus.
Hold on,
Like him, you know,
no, KeKe, hold on there. In my was kiss, like kiss, mouth to mouth, as kiss pan
yes.
What chops?
Then
I
kiss
told
like,
kiss.
No, bro, not even chops.
And then look into this in a lava. One time when me did the nigger no, in the same one see me and me did go see me no. In call me and say KeKe when you they come. Let me tell you why from when me not trust Jayden. In call me one night and ask me when me a come. Next me say me things them just come pan sheen. Me a go come. All if it's somebody call me and tell me say KeKe, you know say Jayden the pan live. Me have to play it off lava and that my heart hurt me.
So you body bomb, you can't do that.
When he did the pan live, so me
You can't clown out.
So me I say when the people them somebody call me and say Jayden the pan live lava me heart.
And you get dressed.
In night, me have to act like somebody did on the live and me know what I want. No, him a go tell me, say me if he send him a location and all of these things and go say, him a wonder why me not trust him. But I did from the night there because you call me when you on live, what you expect me to do?
You can't.
Tell me no love, I know him a consider one side
Yes, you cannot do that.
because someone always make woman look bad. But guess what? Out of everybody, I sincerely love him. And I got his back for life because
You da fuck him?
no, into little bit and too much and mixing. You have no type. You swinging anyway.
Whoa, no type?
Like, listen, my like man want have you know something about them.
Nothing. Say not nothing but towards himself.
Nothing. You would have go down there so grind this so.
Where am I good in this? Where am I good in this?
You go fuck man. You go fuck man, but you didn't want bed with one dirty big wheel. So where is fair?
Oi.
You did that.
Remember my Rosa friend. Sick lad. Christ.
Lava is a girl list. Is a girl list where say if me and her fuck, she accompany me and talk about it.
No, you cannot do that. Why you don't want to do that?
Lava, you see man like Jayden now. You can't make him first. Yo, what wrong with that? You would nice when good would nice.
Nah, you not come bring nobody name for me then.
Jayden get you and you want to go talk about him. Me not feel no way about you and I like say me not know my work and me is this.
No, you're not supposed to talk about people.
So get good front and talk about it.
No, nobody business that me can't talk about it.
I lie you tell. Boy, you know the girl yeah.
No, no come discuss something on public. On a public business that.
That's why in public when Jayden become secretive.
Yeah, but anybody have to know so him get it.
My pro that me grinding them or anything. Why you about it for?
Jayden.
You never talk about nobody else fuck. You never talk about the old man them where you go fuck. What you want to talk about my fuck?
Which old man?
Jayden, no go there. Jayden, no go there.
Why?
Jayden, no go there. Cause she got scandal your name over here.
So Jayden, now you look hurt. Me not like how your face look. Put back a smile on your face, man.
You don't put no smile on my face.
Okay.
Jaja. This one look good. You make the man feel that way. Jayden, no matter go there, so cause you come, man, bring the man busy public.
No, I'm not feeling that way.
Alright. But NID can move on with in life. I don't feel no way about it.
Who for move on?
Jayden.
So who you want to bring out? Boxtv?
Yeah, we both can go on a date. Box now. Box a general. I can see say Box relax. Him not too much, he not go disperse me and he not go bring me down.
I'm of a type.
Yeah. And mix and mingle and selling pile on TikTok for get no gift.
Hear me that?
I never hear no girl cool. You're mad. You work hard. Natural blessing.
Thank you very
So go
much,
on to box
darling.
now. Make box here some blood clot box. Go on now.
Nothing wrong
No,
with
a police that,
must
police that.
I
Oh,
must
police.
box in my front.
A police
I
that, a
must
police
box in
that.
my front.
She say old man I like, you know, go on to lava too.
Me they too far.
No, young boy no come with too much banger and a headache and
Yeah,
stress
man.
and problem. Me have to mentally prepare for day with Una right now. Me no mentally prepare.
You see it? Tell you. Jayden, you lose out, brother. Low it.
A long time I
In
love it.
can go on with was Benzema. He mag go pa what's that there was Benzema.
Why you make it sound like you have the ball near plate?
Eh?
Why make it sound like you make me a go or whatever?
But you have to go. I no ask me, I tell me, I tell you.
Me know, yeah, me have to go for you, of course.
You have to go.
Me know.
That's
Me
why
have to
me
go.
release. That's why me release in a piece, me dear.
Me have to go. So you mean?
Alright, you go out, I am going out too.
With who?
So guys, me I tell
First
you.
first I did Jabbas, now I Boxtv. Who else?
Bumbo
Don't worry,
clad.
I'm going to surprise you. Saturday, guys.
Hold up. Then a 2 man already fuck man up.
Eh? No.
No, she not do it yet. She not do it yet. She did want to bring out Jabbas first.
Oh, she never fuck Jabbas. Oh.
No, she there so now. She want to bring out Box.
And I'm not one of them man then spend their money more.
And GX fuck it. Fuck you not have one laugh about there walking and look what now only tell me brother I don't know nothing about that.
What do you think?
What do you think of what them tell me?
What do you think? Work with a gut.
No man talk about work we got what him say.
You go out of your way for hurt me. And me go out of my way for hurt you. This I can't love. This I
So Ebas.
Yeah.
So Dante and black yeah?
Brother, when Dante black me, no me even know saying black me, you know. Honestly, no. Bro, me and Dante no really, me and Dante no really friend like come with us say, yo, me and Jabbas. You see, so that if Dante want black me, no give a fuck.
Okay.
We just like trouble him anytime I see him.
So what going with him again there? Pops.
Oh God.
Jaja.
Lower it. Number the answer. Number.
KeKe, me go call you and we can, is it?
Alright.
No, me go call you.
Alright. KeKe, go and do your thing then. Alright. Do your thing.
Alright, darling.
Alright.
Nice to meet you, KeKe. Big up.
Alright.
You not here, Jayden, bye.
She's
Yeah, then I
going
go stay on the jump now.
No, me I stay.
Me nah move.
Jayden, you want to say? KeKe, look more, right?
Alright.
Yeah, jump.
Me nah move. So no fi come from my page. Me no dey on a page now. No fi jump. Go on Boxtv. Go on.
Where's me for going?
Yeah, you say you jump.
No, you have a jump guy. We can't jump like that.
No, you press the button and go. Me nah move.
Box, talk to other box.
Me nah move.
Box.
The patient is stubborn.
Yeah.
I'll make her post me, but I'll make her send me a message and I'll send her. You know, say, yo, Lava, you know, say, make sure they might invite me to a party Saturday, dad.
Oh, this Saturday?
Yeah, they might keep on TikTok party. One big
Oh,
party with TikTok again. Mm-hmm.
I Nell.
You just message me.
Oh, that's good. Big up, Mika.
Come on, big up club maker, man. No joke.
No, they not text me. One day I have to go, look how much work I put in and then watch me and them blood clot.
Cha-cha.
Yeah, joke.
Then I see me a trend from when.
Oh, I need to show me.
Thanks for the followers, beautiful ladies. See there? See them inbox me there?
Oh, yeah, me see it.
KeKe, I don't know what's wrong with you, KeKe, but I love it.
Jesus.
Huh?
I don't know what's wrong with you, but I love it.
Thanks for the followers, everyone. Appreciate
Thanks.
it.
All right, KeKe.
Later.
That's sweetheart. She toxic as fuck. I don't know why I love that.